Tickle belly.
To come today.
Today?
Yes.
Okay. Well, hopefully the ice cream truck comes today. What are you doing? Hey, what's going on? Sandbox? Yeah, they're gonna get dirty. Now catch them in the air.
Here's your flower.
Oh, thank you. It again?
Mama had a baby and her head popped off.
Sure did. I want to do one. Mama had a baby and her head popped off. Whoop, I missed. I'm gonna get you, butterfly. I'm gonna get you, butterfly. Get over here. You. I'm gonna catch a butterfly. I'm gonna catch a butterfly. I'm gonna get. I get you. I'm gonna get you. Ah! Got you. Woo! She's loose. Why is there a fall leaf in the spring? Got you.
Because it's springtime.
Somebody didn't pick up their leaf. Nobody did their fall cleaning. Woo. Whoa. Okay.
I paint this one.
Ooh.
No, I paint this one.
Yeah, we did all those pretty rocks. How about the ones that are in the garden?
These are for yesterday.
That was from last year. We did these
I
ones.
get my hand on my little.
I know, it's your little hand. And we got your little hand there. And we have some watermelons growing. Are these our sunflowers? Who made that beautiful purple rock?
It's all wet.
It is all wet. Did you paint that?
You paint that.
No, you painted the purple one. And you painted that beautiful, colorful, rainbowy one. These are our sunflowers.
And look at this.
Yeah. She loves painting rocks. It's kind of a thing around here. We paint lots of rocks around here.
Sparklies on it.
And it's got sparklies on it. I don't know if you can see, but in the sun, there are sparklies all over this rock. Whoa, you're strong. Be careful.
I'm gonna put it in the sand.
Go ahead, put it in the sandbox. Throw it in. My turn. Wow. Do you think you could pick up this big one?
Yeah.
Watch out, there might be worms under. Are you okay? Did you just smash your hand? Be careful, don't drop that on your toe. What? Hey, we have to show the beautiful colors. Here, let's flip it. Whoa, are you balancing? Whoa. Whoa. I knew you were gonna take it off. That's so pretty. Watch out for the watermelon seeds. They're starting to grow. And this is our blueberry bush right here. We're gonna have blueberries by August. That's so cool. You want me to put it back? You're gonna do it? Whoa. Whoop. 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 Whoa. Whoa. Whoop. Oh! You touched a watermelon seedling. Okay. Good job, strawberry shortcake. Do we have chimes anywhere else? Yeah? Hummingbird? Oh, so cute. Try to shake it, yeah. Shake it by its wings. See what happens. That's the hummingbird. So cute. Another blowy. Are you gonna try to blow it? Oh no, that one's a fuzzy, not a blowy. Anna is cleaning the bird bath because it was pretty nasty. So she is cleaning that bad boy up. Now can we get fresh water in there? Do you need help? Dump the dirty water. There we go. Now let's get some fresh. It's still more? Okay. Oh, you want to lift it up? Ugh. You think you can? Ugh. Here, I'll help. Let's do it together. Perfect. Let's get it right back on the hole that it was. Oh, your dress. All right, now fresh water coming up for the birdies. You think it's clean? Here, I'll help. I'm just gonna put it here and you tip it. You let these birdies know how much you care. And you're gonna give them a fresh bath. Tell me when to stop. Hey, ew, don't do that. I know it's fresh water, but still don't do that because we've been playing outside and our hands are probably not the cleanest.
I am feeling cool.
You're feeling it? Does it feel good? We're just helping out them little birdies. Do you think that's enough water? Or should they get some more?
No, more. A lot.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna let go. And hey, you, stop feeding the grass and feed my plants. Come on, use this. Hopefully without falling. Good. Yep, you can water anything you want, as long as you don't water your dress. Ooh, that's fancy living. There you go, little plant. Grow, grow. All right, now do the sunflowers. I can't wait to see how big these get this year. Last year, we had a 10-foot sunflower tree, right? It was awesome. It was huge. Da-da-da. Little plants getting agua. You're doing so well. Good job. Ah! Did you get your jelly wet? Yep. Oh, those are the mums. Those will come up in the fall. All right. Good? Thumbs up. You did well. Anna, I think that's it. Whoop. Blueberry bush, here goes some water. Or not. I think you got to figure out a new way to hold it. Ugh, how are we going to do this? How are you going to do this?
I know.
You know? There you go. Blueberry bush.
I go like this. Yep.
You got it. Oh, there goes your toes. Ah, there goes my toes. Not my toes. Not my toes. Not my toes. No. This is never a good thing. Watering the grass. What else are you gonna water? No! What?
I'm Majesty Queen.
You just call me your Majesty Queen?
Yeah.
I love that, your Majesty Queen.
And I'm a princess.
Guess you are. You're what kind of princess are you? Are you a beautiful princess fairy?
At the mall.
You got what at the mall?
My earrings.
Your beautiful earrings.
And Daddy's earrings.
Daddy got earrings from the mall too.
No.
He used to wear earrings, but
I got.
so what is that? It just floated from the sky. What is it? What is it? Is it a bird feather? Daddy's home!
Daddy! Hi! We're going outside to wait for the ice cream truck. We're waiting for the ice cream truck. The ice cream truck does not work, but down to go to the fancy restaurants.
Okay, so the ice cream truck never came, so we're gonna go to where?
So to a fancy restaurant.
A fancy ice cream shop?
Uh-oh.
Oh, there goes all her eggs. Okay, so she changed because she got soaking wet from gardening. And now we're gonna go get some ice cream.
My shoes. On the ice cream truck.
I know. That's okay. We'll go get fancy ice cream. Right? Who wants fancy ice cream?
Me!
Woohoo!
You want ice cream?
Swing. Ready? 1, 2. Swing! All right, hold Daddy's hand and I'll be behind you videoing.
Let's stay out of the road though.
Sister, the ice cream. The ice cream company.
Didn't you come here with Mimi?
The big red.
You want sprinkles and what else? All the toppings? Okay. All the toppings coming up. You want it in a cone or in a cup? In a dish? Hey, let's choose coloring book and crayon. What are you doing? Okay, let's choose coloring books and crayons.
Ooh, I want this.
Ruin in your face.
I can't do it.
You didn't get an Oreo?
That cookies and cream bar.
That looks amazing.
So good.
Are you happy?
Mommy, I have it in the cup.
This is a cup. I got one too.
It's in a cup.
Look at Mommy's.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
And we have the little lamb.
Whoa. Is that a fancy one? Is that a fancy ice cream? Yes.
Close your eyes and pick a color, she's saying. Yellow. Woohoo! What colors did you get?
Yellow and
Eat your ice cream before I do.
and then your turn.
Okay. What colors did I get? Pink. Daddy's turn.
My hands are all sticky.
Cover your eyes, Daddy. Pick 2 colors. What colors are those, Aunna? Awesome. Now what do we do?
No, look it. Pink, pink, pink. Daddy, I'm just your pink. I'm your pink there.
Daddy's gonna pull up and get us so we don't get soaking wet. What's wrong, baby bear? You're tired. I'm tired too. You know that?
Want to sit down this?
No, that's too many people walk on it.
I want to sit down.
You don't want to get dirty. You can sit on my lap. You're gonna do a little spin in your beautiful dress. Oh, look who it is. It's Daddy Baby. The conclusion of our ice cream experience. Now it's boring. And
I am watching this SpongeBob.
Anna's watching SpongeBob. Say goodnight.